The one thing that I will add on to this is that once you can open yourself to creating connection, and the best way to do that is through
Yeah.
collaboration, you really start to understand the people that you work with, how they think, what their expertise might be.
Yep.
And once you do that and you're open yourself and you've gone through your I don't know exercises, you meet someone else, right? And you're getting to understand what they want or need or blah, blah, blah. And maybe I don't know. I can't help you. I don't know,
Right.
right? Because we've conquered that.
Right.
But I really understand this other person under here because we worked together on something else.
Mhm.
Let me connect you with them. And then that's how it happens.
Build the bridge.
And then that person knows something, and that is how the connections happen. Because it's not about you just connecting with other people. It's about you connecting other people
To other people.
to other
Come on.
people.
Come on.